Hey creators. So you've got this gorgeous custom handle you designed, or maybe that vintage molding you modeled. And you're thinking, can I use this in ML doors? The answer is absolutely yes. Here's how ridiculously easy it is. Got custom moldings, unique door handles, special panel designs? The ML Doors Add to Library tool lets you import your own geometry into the extension's permanent libraries, making them available in every project. Let's do it. This is a unified, intelligent system. Whether you're adding a casing profile, a decorative panel, or custom hardware, the workflow is the same. The tool automatically detects what you're adding. First, find the Add to Library tool on the toolbar. This is your gateway to expanding the extension's content with your own designs. The workflow is simple. Select the component you want to add, then click the tool. I'll start with this custom casing profile, a decorative molding curve I designed in SketchUp. The dialog opens and immediately shows detected type, profile. The tool analyzed the geometry and figured out what it is automatically. No manual selection needed. It's smart enough to know. You can see the other types in the drop-down: door, profile, panel, leaf, hardware. The system detected this as a profile because it's a 2D shape, oriented flat on the XY plane. That's the requirement for casing and jamb profiles. Notice how the local axes are oriented. This is crucial for aligning the casing profile correctly in the door assembly. For profiles, the requirements are strict, must be a component instance, and must be oriented flat on the XY plane. This profile meets both requirements. It's a component, and it's lying flat on the ground plane. Now name your profile. The tool enforces naming rules. No spaces, use underscores or hyphens, no special characters, and no reserved words like default or temp. Let's call this Custom Victorian Molding. Click OK. The tool goes to work, it captures a thumbnail image, exports the geometry, and saves everything to the extension's Profiles directory. Success! The profile is now permanently part of your ML Doors installation. It's immediately available in the New Door dialog under the Casing Profile selector. Let me prove it. Open the New Door dialog, go to the Casing tab, and there it is, Custom Victorian Molding in the Profile options. Select it, and the 3D preview updates to show your custom molding around the door frame. That's instant reuse. Now let's add custom hardware. I've designed this modern lever handle in SketchUp. Select it and click Add to Library again. The dialog opens and shows detected type, hardware handle. How did it know this is a handle and not a hinge? The tool uses auto-detection logic based on the geometry's proportions. The logic is simple. If the height is greater than width, it's classified as a handle. If width is greater than height, it's a hinge. This works for 95% of standard hardware. You can override it manually if needed using the dropdown. Name it following the same rules, no spaces, no special characters. I'll call this lever modern. Click Add to Library. Done. The handle is now in the system. Jump to the New Door dialog, Hardware tab, Handles section, and click Browse Hardware Library. There's your custom handle thumbnail captured, ready to use. Click it, and the 3D preview updates instantly. Your custom handle is now on the door. The tool even positioned it correctly at the standard handle height. All the export formats, SKP, DAE, JSON, were generated automatically for maximum compatibility. Let's quickly add a custom panel. This is a decorative raised panel I modeled with unique carved detail. Select it, click the tool. Detect it as panel validation passes. Panels need to be 3D components, not flat curves like profiles. This one qualifies. Name it Carved Victorian Panel, Add to Library. Done. Now this panel is available in the Style tab of the New Door dialog under the Panel Library. Here it is in the Panel Library, thumbnail generated automatically from a top-down view of the geometry. Click it, and the New Door dialog inserts it into the door frame design. Your custom content, seamlessly integrated into the parametric system. The Add to Library tool is a unified system for importing custom content. Select a component, launch the tool, and it automatically detects the type. Name it, add it, and it's permanently available across all projects. Best practices. Make sure your geometry is a component instance, not a group. For profiles, orient them flat on the XY plane. For hardware, keep dimensions under 50 centimeters. Follow these rules, and the tool handles the rest. Next up, we'll explore the door animation and swap opening tools, perfect for presentations and quick design corrections. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.